Do you know what inflammatory foods are and why you should avoid them? Inflammation is a natural process in our bodies. It's like a tiny fire brigade, rushing to the scene of an injury or infection to fight off harmful invaders and heal our bodies. But just like a fire that burns too long can cause damage, so can inflammation. When inflammation persists, it becomes chronic, and that's where the trouble starts. Chronic inflammation is like a fire that never goes out, causing damage and leading to various health issues. These range from heart disease and cancer to neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and even depression. Here's the kicker. What we eat can play a big role in this process. Yes, you heard it right. Certain foods can trigger chronic inflammation in our bodies, so it's crucial to understand what these inflammatory foods are. Now let's delve into what these inflammatory foods are. You might be surprised to find some of your favorite foods on this list. First up, we have processed meats. These include your beloved hot dogs, sausages, and bacon. These meats house something called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. The name might sound cool, but trust me, they're not your friends. AGEs are compounds that trigger inflammation in your body and are found in high quantities in these processed meats. Next, we have sugary drinks. These are not just your sodas, but also include those deceptively healthy-sounding fruit juices. These drinks are often high in sugar and calories, leading to weight gain and obesity, which are key risk factors for inflammation. Then, there are fried foods. From crispy fries to golden brown chicken, these foods taste heavenly but come with a devilish side. They are high in trans fats, a type of fat that increases inflammation in the body. Another culprit is refined carbohydrates. Think white bread, pastries, and pasta. These foods cause rapid spikes in your blood sugar, which can stimulate inflammation. Lastly, we have margarine. While it's often marketed as a healthier alternative to butter, margarine is high in omega-6 fatty acids. Although these are essential fats our bodies need, when consumed in excess, they can promote inflammation. Knowing what these foods are is half the battle. The other half is understanding their health risks. Ever wondered why you should steer clear of these foods? Let's dive into the health risks associated with inflammatory foods. These foods, while delicious, can trigger chronic inflammation in your body. Over time, this persistent inflammation can lead to serious health complications. Imagine a silent but ceaseless battle raging within you, causing damage to your body's tissues and organs. That's what chronic inflammation is like. It's been linked to heart disease, the leading cause of death globally. It's also implicated in diabetes, a condition that affects hundreds of millions of people worldwide. But that's not all. Chronic inflammation is a common denominator in most forms of cancer, a disease that affects millions each year. It's also a key player in arthritis, a leading cause of disability. Reducing your intake of inflammatory foods can help lower the risk of these conditions, so it's worth making some dietary changes for the sake of your health. Remember, your diet plays a significant role in controlling inflammation in your body. So what can you do to combat inflammation? The answer lies in embracing a diet abundant in anti-inflammatory foods. Think fresh fruits, lush vegetables, hearty whole grains, and beneficial fats. These are your allies in this fight. But remember, everyone's body is unique. Consulting a healthcare provider or dietitian for personalized advice can make your journey towards a healthier lifestyle more effective. Take control of your health today. Avoid inflammatory foods and embrace a healthier lifestyle.